Hey guys, it's Ashley, and today I'm going to show you a typical dance warm-up. You don't need anything for this routine besides maybe some jams, some tunes, so let's get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this video with me right now, add it to your watch later and join me whenever you can. Alright you guys, let's go ahead and start from our head and work our way down, starting with our head to shoulder, nice and easy. Alright, front to back, front. I suggest you put on some music as we go. Circle right. Other way. Onto the shoulders, go right, then left, right, then left. Big elbows. Nice, you guys. Full body. Get ready. Let's reverse it. Elbows come forward. Little bit more. Hey, hey. Nice. Let's go up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Up, up. Up, 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 up. One then the other, Nice. Again, up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Reroll. Nice. Let's go to the rib cage. Hands on your hips, forward, center, back. Center, forward, center, back, center. Just like that. Without the center now, forward, back. All right, let's go roll right. Roll, full circle, front, side, back. Front, side, back, reverse. Front, side, back. Warm up that rib cage. Time for the hips. We're gonna go right and left, right and left, right and left. Circle right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready, other side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go one hip, other hip, one hip, other hip. Nice. Front and back. We go front and back, front and back, front and back, front and back. Nice, you guys. Now we're gonna bring our arms out full T and move our upper body right to left and right, left. All the way to the right, all the way over. Hold it. Reach it up, square it away, flap back. Nice, you guys. We breathe it up. Lean it back. Come all the way down, nose to knee. Bend that back knee. And straighten. Again, bend the back knee. And straighten. One more time. And straighten last time. Coming on up. Nice, you guys. Repeat on the left. 1, 5, 6, 7 to the left. Up and over. Square it away. Flat back. All the way over. Hold it. Nice. Breathe it up. All the way down. Bend the back knee. 1, 2. Straighten up. 1, 2. Straighten up again. Nice. To the center, you guys. Let's go. Bend both knees. Straighten both knees. Bend both knees. Get that head in between your legs. And straighten. Again. And bend. Head in between your legs. Try to keep it there. Last time. Bend both knees and straight, and right lunge. Lunge it out. Nice. All right, knee down, chest up. Stretch out that hip flexor. Nice. Hands on either side. If you can, lift the chest to the ceiling. And back. If you can, this is where your elbows are gonna hit the floor. Breathe it out. Coming up. Sit and twist. Twist it. Come all the way around. Hug the knee into the chest and look behind. Hug the knee, big twist. All right, open up that knee. Breathe it up. So we're crisscross applesauce, right leg on top, up and over. Really reach those hands out in front of you so you stretch the upper back as well. Little further. Coming on up. Unwind. Right foot goes in front. Back to the right lunge. Let's twist it forward. There we go. Second side. Rotate left lunge. Nice. Lunge it out. Repeat all that second side. Knee comes down. Chest up. Stretch out the hip flexor. Nice, you guys. If you can, hands on both sides. Chest up. And forward. Elbows down. Open up that hip. Stretch it out. Nice, you guys. Let's go into our sit and twist. Sit and twist. Hug the knee into the chest and look behind. And open that knee. Reaching up, flat back forward. Really reach those hands out in front of you, stretching out the upper back. Breathe it right here. A little further. Nice, you guys. Back to left lunge. Lunge it out. To center. We're here. Let's go back and forth. Back and forth, lunging it out at your own pace, okay? No rush. Spider it out. A few more times. Nice, you guys. All right, come here, elbows down, sinking into the hips. Feel free to twist it one way and the other, if so inclined. Nice, you guys. Let's use our hands to bring us to our sitting position. Feet together. Butterfly it out. Flat back, fold forward. Do that again. Butterfly it out. Standing up tall. Not standing. Sitting up tall. Nice. Flat back forward until you can't anymore. Come all the way down. Nice, you guys. Both legs open. We go side to side. Side to side. Side. Up and over to the right. up and over. Nice, you guys. Breathe it up, twist, flat back it down, all the way over. Crawl it out, crawl and crawl it out to come back up. And again, we go. Up and over to the left. Open, twist to flat back, all the way over. Crawl it out. To center. Shake it out, shake it out. Let's go on to our tummies. Last thing, you guys, let's stretch out that back. We go. Exhale, up. You can look side to side. One more. Exhale. Up, up, up. We come down. All right, you guys. Stretch out the arms a little bit to get ready for your dance class if you're going to take one, or if you just wanted to see what a little dance warm-up was like. Stretch out the arms. This is a typical warm-up I would do before a dance class. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you'd like to see more, download our app Yoga Plus. And if you'd like to catch me on my personal channel where I teach you guys how to dance, you can join me at Twigs Wrote This, TwigsWrotes. Thank you.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.